Imagine to turn yourself into any AI celebrity in just one click. Just choose your celebrity video and swap with your or any face you want. Create Hollywood star, or if you want to be a politician. Or you can use to make you AI celebrity of a public figure, or swap any face into even any celebrities. Create trending AI viral celebrity contents in any niche and language. Produce versatile celebrity content like dancing reels, vlogs, product reviews, unboxing videos, commercials, tutorials, video ads, and more in 60 seconds. World's first AI app to the brand new Air app that creates ultra-realistic human-like AI influencers for Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube and automatically produces and publishes trending viral content like dancing reel videos, vlogs, commercial ads, product reviews, unboxing videos, TV shows, music videos, motivational talks, and more in any niche in any language in less than 2 minutes. You are AI influencer viral videos to your niche audience. Without showing your face, hiring expensive influencers or needing any video editing skills, and the best part, it comes with a revolutionary 2-click viral booster tech that instantly broadcasts your niche audience. Let's log into dashboard. You will find the link in description. You will find all required menu in left sidebar. Create your first AI image from the prompt box, input your prompt first, then select celebrity age, then select celebrity gender, then select celebrity ethnicity, hairstyle, and celebrity eye color, and click Generate button will start generating your celebrity image within 60 seconds. Here's our AI generated celebrity, now download it. See how outstanding generation it is. You can generate as per your requirement. Now click on AI celebrity visual button and upload your image here. And then upload image you want to swap with, and finally click Generate button will generate immediately, and here is the result. Just wow. In the same way, you can face swap in video too. Click on AI celebrity AI animation button. Upload the image face you want to swap and then upload the targeted video. And then click on Generate button. This will take few minutes. In the meantime, if you find my video helpful, please like and subscribe. Now click on the generated video and download it, and let's see. Outstanding generation. In this way, you can create face swap images and AI face swap video. If you have any confusion or question, you can always ask me. I will answer all the questions one by one. With this AI, you can also write AI content scripting. Select any languages you want and then type your video idea and set other setting and click on Generate will generate your video content idea within seconds. In this AI there is a feature named AI Assistant what covers any kind of AI supports, and there is pre-built prompt library where many of ready-made idea generator features that you can use to create your contents, for example, Facebook post idea, Instagram captions, Twitter thread, TikTok video script, product review, FAQ generator, and many more. For example, if I click on YouTube channel growth prompt, you will see a ready-made pre-built prompt in Chat Assistant. Just change the topic as you want and see the magic of AI Assistant feature. Then you also use AI caption generator feature. Write your idea in prompt box and see it will instantly provide a better complete post caption. If you find my video helpful, please don't forget to give a like and also subscribe to my channel. This AI have also realistic speech AI audio builder, dynamic celebrity emotional expressions builder, multilingual content production feature, premium AI music, AI branding and visual design builder, AI name generator, AI social media tools, content calendar and management, platform integration, publish seamlessly across Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, and more. AI celebrity animation video. Transform celebrity avatars into high-quality animated videos, bringing scripts and emotions to life seamlessly. 100% newbie-friendly. Lifetime access with no recurring monthly payments. I will put the link in description. Try this AI at least once in your life with 30 days money-back guarantee.